today we're going to make the decorations for my cousin's birthday party. Bunting!
The first thing we need to do is we need to fold the paper in half. Can you do that first, Sissy? Then we measure it, and we just put a point where the middle is. So this is 15, so we need to do this here. And then we need to take, you see this point over here?
Yeah.
We need to make a line this way, and a line this way.
What are you doing?
Because you need to cut straight on this line. Come on. Lovely. Now, look at what we've got. We've got 3 triangles. You see? And do you know what we're going to do now? All we have to do is take the string and just fold it like this and staple it. And then we staple it in the stapler here, this way. Super. One more.
You see, we got a nice picture. Of course, we are going to add more colors. So next, we're adding blue. So now we finished doing the bunting.
Yeah.
And look at the beautiful pattern we made. Wall decoration. Now we're going to make rainbow clouds. Yeah.
So we start with a paper, and we have to draw a cloud. Okay, I can draw freestyle, so like this. So we draw something. 1, 2.
First, draw your cloud, and next you
Cut it.
cut it. And we finished cutting our clouds.
Okay.
Then swim.
We put them on the side, and now we're gonna make the rainbow rain. Get papers and all the rainbow colors. Let you see?
Yeah.
And then we put them all together like this.
Give you
So
trouble.
it's a good idea to staple them all together.
So then they don't give you trouble when you're trying to draw and cut.
Yeah.
And
And make sure you have lines like these. And now
it's time to cut.
cut on the line. We take one of the bunches.
And then we stick them on.
We lay it out. Glue stick. And you just put glue where you need to. Wait, before that, it's just better to do one more thing.
Scotch tape.
Put one piece of long Scotch tape on the whole
Slimy,
thing.
slimy, oh my God.
So that won't come off.
And this leaves like some space.
Now what's left to do, Cece?
Just draw the eyes and the face.
Yeah, draw a face on. Just draw eyes and a mouth.
Eyes and lipstick. Yeah. Another rainbow cloud, and now we can hug them. A big piece of cardboard paper. Draw the number 6 and then cut it. Cut out small circles. Glue the circles on the number. Glue some gems to give some sparkle. Now we're going to make unicorn heads.
Yeah, using these paper plates. We're going to draw the eyes.
Draw the eyes.
I'll draw my eyes first and then you're going to draw yours.
Yeah.
Okay?
Is that the way you did it?
And then just draw a nice little smile.
I'll draw that. Now we finished doing our faces.
Okay.
And look at how beautiful they are.
And now we need to make the frame, Celine. So we've got these cutouts, these beautiful colored paper that was left from our bunting. And what we're going to do is we're going to try to layer it like this to look like it's the unicorn's mane.
But it does look like something.
Now that we've laid out the colored paper, we're going to staple them on. Use your stapler.
Oh, I thought we were going to glue them on.
No, it's easier to just staple them on. Just try to keep the staples on the top, Cece. Look, like this.
Now we finished stapling these on.
Okay, and we're going to make the horns, the unicorn horn. We're using the silver paper for the horn, And I'm gonna flip it on this side so I can draw the triangles that we're gonna be cutting out.
Yep.
Now we both have a horn for unicorns. You know what we're gonna do?
What?
We're gonna staple it right here, right in the middle.
Them on your head.
We finished the ears, but we're gonna staple them on here.
And it looks a bit like bunny.
You can glue them on, or you can staple them on. I want to do it the fast way. Huh?
Me too. I want to do fast way.
Here you go. These are the unicorns. Now we have two more things that we're going to do.
Oh yeah, I remember strings and stars.
Yeah, and we're going to put just flowers here. What do you think? Would you like to put?
Some are beautiful. Like here, Mom. You know, right here. And look, it's beautiful.
Stick the flowers like this over the staples to hide them. Right, Cece?
Yeah. Cake pops.
Dip the candy stick in the melted chocolate and put the cake pop on. Then let it set to dry.
Dip the cake pops in the melted chocolate and then decorate them with the sprinkles. The party!